Are you looking to grow your own nutritious, healthy food from the comfort of your home? With Nutraponics, our cutting-edge hydroponic system, you can access organically grown fruits, herbs, and vegetables all year round. The system is fully automated and can manage water cycles, automate the LED grow lights, and monitor water levels, water temperature, and pH level of the nutrients. The Nutraponics system has a space-saving design and can accommodate up to 100 planting sites, making it ideal for homes and commercial spaces. The customized grow rings maximize efficiency and effectiveness, yielding better than other hydroponic systems. The patent-pending water distribution system is designed to maximize efficiency so that all the plants are fed regularly through the drip system to yield predictable results. The device sits on 4 hidden casters, making it highly portable and easy to move around. It aims to provide you with a hassle-free farming experience that's easy to set up, use, and manage. The custom leak-proof design ensures your home or commercial space stays clean, dry, and void of mess. The custom grow rings are designed to support all stages of the plant's life cycle, from seeding to fruiting. They are energy efficient, produce low heat, and are long-lasting. They are optimized for maximum growth and are designed to provide the perfect blend of light for your plants to grow optimally while saving energy. Try the Nutraponics hydroponic system today and take the first step towards a fully automated, efficient, and effective way to grow your plants. Start growing your food today with the autonomous hydroponic system. Unlock the power of gardening and let this system make it easier than ever. Order now and make gardening fun again. Grow better, eat better.